Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming power and battery. Make sure the headset is charged and powered on. Next, decide your connection path. Xbox wireless adapter gives lower latency and full features, while Bluetooth is simpler for voice only. On Windows 10 or 11 open settings, then Bluetooth and devices. If using the adapter, plug it into a USB port now and press its pairing button. If using Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth on your PC and select Add Device. This begins the pairing process. Once you press the adapter and headset pairing buttons, watch for the adapter light to show a stable connection. That means link established. If you chose Bluetooth, pick the headset name in Add a Device and confirm pairing. Note that Bluetooth may only support stereo and mic depending on your headset model. Make sure Windows installs drivers automatically. If not, run Windows Update or Device Manager to update the headset or adapter driver. This fixes many audio and mic issues so your PC recognizes full functionality. After pairing, open sound settings and set the headset as default output and default input. This directs game and chat audio correctly. Then test audio. Play sound and use voice recorder or the Windows test to check the mic. Tweak levels and microphone gain so others hear you clearly. Once done, make sure to update Xbox Accessories app if available for firmware. If audio or mic fails, restart the PC. Unpair and repair the headset. This simple reset resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.